It's action, it's action, it's action, it's action, 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 action. That's what it is, folks. Seriously, it's just like fucking rest your head on the boulder and just say like it's action. There's the guy that's learning more about it, but he didn't do it. I did it. There's a guy that's thinking about it. He's thinking so much about it. He's spending 15 times as long, but someone else just went and did it. Because taking action, it's being in the conflict zone. You learn more through it than you do by thinking about it and planning. Now, should you think about it and plan? Of course. But once you've thought about it and planned it, you execute, you take action, take massive action repeatedly. Some other people are going to think into submission and they're going to plan to infinity. That's nothing. You're going to think, you're going to become indecisive, you're going to become doubtful, and then you're going to become fearful. That's a loss. You're going to plan, and you're going to keep planning, you're going to better the plan. A plan not executed is a failure. The person who goes forward and stands up in the fight is a winner. I'm not talking about coming last place and saying you're a winner, but it's a person that continues to keep going, is their own fucking champion in their own right. I'm all for first place. Maybe give you second place. Who the fuck wants third place? Throw that trophy in the bin. It's first place only, and then you lost if you came anywhere in behind it. But you are still a champion for showing up. You are a bitch for leaving the ring. Show up, fight, and do. There is no honor in a failure to show up. There is great lessons to be learned, and furthermore, honor to be gained by repeatedly taking action in front of all mists. I'll be damned if I don't take the action. I might make a mistake. I don't want to fucking fix it. But you gotta have to know that you can fix it. You can be great, but you gotta take action, and then 100 times take action. It's massive, it's powerful, and it's needed.